Okay, guys, so now that you've spent 2 days with TCL knowing more about the brand, I have a few questions for both of you. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
100%.
Yeah. Okay, so firstly, I'd like to know about your thoughts about the brand after exploring the headquarters and the factory.
So, what I felt was we saw a lot of technology built by TCL. We saw a lot of TVs, a lot of air conditioners, a lot of displays, but we did not know why they do it. And we also did not know about the innovations that they're building because, like, the products that are launched in India are launched like 1 year, 2 year after they have been created or they have been innovated. So, a lot of new things we got to see, and we also got to understand the mindset and the operations behind all of it. So yeah, I'm very impressed by the technology.
Okay, and what
E-
about you?
Everything that he said, repeat. No, okay. So I think the most important thing that I saw here was the incredible portfolio that TCL has. In India, it's very limited right now.
Yes,
We see
yes.
2 or 3 categories. So I'm very I'm going to use the word shocked that TCL has such a wide portfolio, such an innovative portfolio with so much of future forward thinking. I think the part that TCL really needs to do is कि पूरा का पूरा portfolio उठाओ, India में लाओ. People are ready for this.
Okay. So moving to next one. So yesterday we went to TCL headquarters and you saw different products that we make and the different technologies that we use. So which one is your favorite?
So there was a lot of impressive technologies, and I think a lot of them I would use it myself. But I personally like the displays that are the ink displays
Yes.
that they use in tablets and mobiles. I found them quite impressive because like I've not seen something like that on any other mobile. So I've seen ink displays, but I've not seen matte finish displays that also can convert to ink. So that was special. So I would love to try that.
We saw a 163-inch TV. We saw a TV which is transparent and has a speaker built around it. We saw art TVs which can show almost like a paper canvas feel to it. First time ever I've been able to see really what backlighting is all about. How much smaller, how much thinner can it be, and the difference it makes in the color, the contrast. The black is a pure black. It's not a grayish in the middle with its side lighting and everything else. The whites are like pure white sun. The next level of TV technology, and the fact that this can be done in very large sizes, 85, 95. I've also been promised कि 130-inch का भी आ रहा है. So I'm looking forward to all of that.
And now, lastly, what are your thoughts on the AI-powered TCL AC factory that we saw today?
I think the operations were super incredibly efficient, and I've seen a lot of factories, but there the amount of people that they were on floor were like they were just like checking the machines, and there was a machine for putting on tape, there was a machine for actually putting the film on, there was a machine for welding. Everything is very automated, everything is very efficient. So amount of operational excellence that they've created in this factory, I felt it was something very nice, and something it is very rare to see.
Okay. What about you?
So I went through two emotions simultaneously: amazing, scary. Amazing because this is amazing. Literally, what you described, that brain center, the AI agents that are doing it, the numbers that are appearing, what process is happening at what time, how much more time left for it to complete before the next one starts, all coming together. It shows you the entire factory working in one place. But what it also shows you, this is an entire factory. Very few humans, a lot of robots, which led to emotion number two. I know there are already factories where there are no humans. I think this one could move to that also very, very soon. So amazing, but also a little shocking. Great technology. What does the future hold? So, two emotions. But
Okay.
congratulations to TCL. Both of us were discussing it. I think incredible work being done by your entire organization.